Taylor Swift announced the Eras Tour, her second all-stadium tour, in November 2022 with Ticketmaster in charge of the pre-sale ticket system. Following the announcement, many Swifties were excited for their first concert tour in years. But with Ticketmaster at the apex of ticketing, you can never be sure. Some people registered a verified fan account to stay ahead of the game, and thanks to the access to pre-sale codes it comes with, they had a real shot at bagging a ticket to the Eras Tour. Only that they were so wrong. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Thousands of Swifties wasted valuable hours of their time to try to get a pre-sale code from Ticketmaster. For a few that had some success, the system wasn't able to send them the code for whatever reason, and things got murkier when available tickets ended up in the hands of scalpers, even forcing Ticketmaster to cancel its November 18 general sale. To make matters worse, resale tickets started hitting the market for as much as $45,000. It meant only a few who could afford this outrageous figure would see Taylor Swift. Those who missed out on a chance to see their idol perform felt betrayed. Some Taylor Swift fans even labeled Ticketmaster as a scam after failing to nab a pre-sale ticket to the Eras Tour. All this drama evidently angered Taylor Swift, and her exasperation was further justified when the matter was taken up by the US Department of Justice. With frustrations boiling, agitated Swifties were actively looking for somewhere to ease their anger, and they found one in Ticketmaster's queue system, which they fully blamed. But like a volcano, so much lava was still left within them, and when Taylor Swift missed out on the Song of the Year Grammy Award in early 2023, the Recording Academy became their newest punching bag. Ticketmaster tried to blame Taylor Swift and her fans for the woes the platform was going through. Speaking to CNBC, Greg Maffei, Live Nation Entertainment chair, said that the reality is Taylor Swift hasn't been on the road for 3 to 4 years, and that's caused a huge issue. Greg was evidently trying to pit Taylor Swift and her fans for not having been on the road for years. But was it her fault that she couldn't perform any shows during the COVID period? Should we blame fans for having so much deep connection with Taylor Swift through her music and other charitable events in her bucket list? With such a statement, it suggested that Ticketmaster probably doesn't care much about artists and their fans, and it shows in the fact that the same issue still persists to date. Tour dates across Europe and other regions have been confirmed. Granted, more Taylor Swift fans are now looking for pre-sale ticket codes for when the Era Tour comes near their home. But even after a grace period spanning months, Ticketmaster hasn't addressed issues that have been plaguing its ticket system for so long. Reports of the email containing the pre-sale ticket code failing to arrive have been rampant in recent times. This is especially true since the global tour begins on August 23rd. And for those who got lucky, the email arrived with the wrong code that isn't of any use to them. This is even more frustrating considering those affected signed up for a verified fan account to stay ahead of the queue. Despite waitlisting many fans to receive the pre-sale ticket, they still missed out since the event sold out. Understandably, this ordeal has left many Swifties disappointed. It has also marked a sad ending to what they anticipated would be a great time with a person they've idolized for years. It is evident that as long as Ticketmaster continues to handle ticketing, there will be inevitable losers. But I hope Live Nation learns from this chaotic handling of Taylor Swift's Era Tour. It should go a long way towards preventing a repeat of the same in the future. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section down below. There are more such stories on our channel, so you can check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.